Look, if you're trying to run your entire business yourself, writing emails, building funnels, creating sales pages, launching offers, it feels overwhelming. And that's why I wanted to make this ClickCampaigns review for you. And I have a special bonus tip that I know is going to be a total game changer for you, because running everything yourself is exhausting. And hiring copywriters and funnel builders costs thousands. Even using AI, it still takes hours because AI doesn't understand you. You have to constantly retrain it. Even if you're using a custom GPT, you go to the next task in another custom GPT, and you have to retrain it again. It doesn't remember everything from the last one. It forgets your voice, it forgets your business, it forgets your products. It doesn't understand your marketing strategies. It just doesn't get your business. So the real question isn't really, can AI write copy? Of course it can. Can it think like my brand and write copy like me and my business and convert it the way I want it to convert? If you've ever felt like you spend way more time fixing the AI than just writing it yourself, let me know, because I've definitely felt that way. Before I dive into the ClickCampaigns review for you, I just want to explain why I'm so passionate about wanting to share this with you. See, in 2016, I ended up in a medically induced coma from pneumonia, and I woke up 3 weeks later as a severely, permanently disabled lung person who could no longer work. My doctor literally told me, you would no longer work. And it scared me, especially as an entrepreneur. I was like, no, I've got to find a way. And I knew the only way that I could go forward is if I found ways to create passive income and leverage myself, because working a normal job wasn't on the table for me anymore. During my coma, something amazing happened, and it relates to why I want to share this with you. Because when I woke up from my coma and after months of rehab, and I was finally strong enough to get back on my computer, I looked at my business stats. I honestly thought my businesses would be dead because I wasn't physically working the business. And my experience up until that date was that if I wasn't working in the business wouldn't work. But there was something I had done, not even intentionally, something I had just done as a way of helping my members. I started posting videos on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, to help them in different niches. Like literally my channel was like a patchwork quilt of niches, completely confusing the algorithm and the people that would land on my homepage. But I had done something accidentally correctly with just a handful of those hundreds of videos that I had uploaded that kept running my business for me while I was in a coma and the months of rehab afterwards. Now, it wasn't thousands of dollars. It was a couple $100s a month, but it was money I didn't have to work for anymore. It was money I had set up, this funnel, this YouTube funnel that I didn't even realize I'd done, that kept driving consistent income for me months after month after month. It was money from ad revenue, from sales of my own courses, from my own books, from affiliate marketing, all things related to my members that were attracting perfect leads and then converting them into my dream clients. And it totally shocked me. But more importantly, it gave me hope and a mission, because I knew if I could just figure out what did I do accidentally right with those handful of videos, and then do it intentionally with every single video going forward, then I would be able to expand, scale, grow, multiply my own efforts without constantly having to do work, which I physically could no longer do. So that was great. And then I realized it was very taxing on my lungs, and it was taking me so long. It literally took me years to rebuild my lift and learn everything. And I just was so frustrated because I knew what I needed to do, but my lungs were not strong enough to let me get it done. And I was in no position to hire expensive copywriters and funnel builders and videographers for me. So when AI came out, I was so relieved and so grateful and so hopeful, because I could see that with AI, all I had to do was train it to be like me, to think like me strategically, to take all the marketing knowledge that I had learned over the years and use it naturally in my copy, my sales copy, my email, my nurturing copy, everything. But Of course, I found out very quickly how incredibly hard it is to train AI to consistently know your brand, know your voice, know your marketing strategies, not forget from one GPT to the next what it was up to, and then having to retrain it over and over and over again, which was exhausting and quite honestly, very depressing. Here's the thing I found that I thought was going to give me hope, and it was just giving me more work, which is why I was so excited when Mike Filsaime started training me on how to use AI and to set up systems so that the system would understand my business, like literally take my business and brain dump it into the AI, take my voice so it could speak like me, but using the strategies that I had learned from my mentors over a decade of learning internet marketing and digital marketing and affiliate marketing. And that's how ClickCampaigns was born. Mike knew we needed a way to have agents do the work for us, agents who understood our business, who understood our voice and our marketing strategies, do all the different things for us. And we could get entire campaigns finished in just a matter of minutes. That would normally take weeks of effort or thousands of dollars paying other people to do for us. Things like your funnel copy, your sales letters, your opt-in pages, your thank you pages, your webinar scripts, your email nurturing sequences and sales sequences, even Facebook and Google ads, like everything. With ClickCampaigns, you get to just input your brand, input your voice, input your strategies one time. And then every time you give it a task to do, it understands it all. You don't have to retrain it every time. And it can work on multiple tasks all at the same time. The agents inside of ClickCampaigns actually talk to each other. The main agent actually hires new agents and talks to them. You can see their conversations, and they build out your entire campaigns for you. It is so cool, especially because it's based on proven methods that actually work, real world conversion psychology. And instead of having to constantly retrain it, just simply refining, adjusting, monitoring it, polishing it up, which feels a heck of a lot lighter and gives you a ton of time back. So let me explain what exactly ClickCampaigns will do for you. So your funnels, right? They're going to build them faster for you, which means you can launch them faster, which means you can test them faster, which means you get to stop delaying the good ideas. Your sales copy, you start with a structure, it makes you feel confident, and it communicates it clearly to your perfect lead. Your email sequences, full nurturing automated follow-up sequences, full sales follow-up sequences, increasing your conversions, creating predictable cash flow. And your website, oh my God, your website, this is incredible. ClickCampaigns builds your homepage, your sales page, your landing page, your thank you page, your course pages, everything you need. You can literally find a website layout that you like, pop it in, and it will create the copy around that. And then you take that and you pop it right inside of page builders, which you get for free inside of ScalePlus, which you get when you get ClickCampaigns. And it will literally map out your entire website for you, all the coding, everything. You can tweak whatever you want to tweak. And then you grab the code and you pop it in whatever your favorite CRM is, whether it's GrooveFunnels or Kartra or ClickFunnels or Go High Level or whatever. This builds it. And then all you need to do is publish it, which is amazing. Instead of paying thousands of dollars for a website designer, wrestling with drag and drop builders, fighting blocks that don't align, and trust me, I have done that a lot. Oh, and guessing colors and layouts. It'll do all of that for you. So you can just build clean, high converting pages in minutes. And then you can either adjust things manually or talk to the AI and get it to adjust it for you. It's so cool. That is real leverage. So how does this change things for your business? When you're using ClickCampaigns, honestly, you move faster. You stay in the creative flow process. You stop waiting on other people and you stop feeling stuck. It compresses the time and the cost and the complexity, and that creates freedom. ClickCampaigns is brilliant at creating paid ad campaigns, funnel execution, conversion asset, but traffic still matters. That's why I have a special bonus, because Mike has openly admitted that he is not an expert when it comes to evergreen YouTube organic marketing. And I kind of impressed him. I promoted his Courses GG course platform with just one review video. At just 233 views, I had already converted 11 sales for his product. It got his attention, and I didn't pay anything on ads for those 11 sales. Have a listen to what Mike thought of this.
Amanda does great reviews. We might have Amanda on to show how, like, literally she did such a good review for courses.gg. I hope she doesn't kill me for saying this, but Go High Level reached out and offered her an exclusive deal to do content for them. That's how good she is at doing reviews. So doing a review like that is going to do something for you that affiliate pages can't do for you. It's creating an affiliate review on YouTube. And so YouTube is going to get its own traffic in conjunction with this. And then you could take that video and put it on your affiliate review page.
Pretty cool, right? But it's not just for affiliate marketing. You can use this strategy, obviously for affiliate marketing, but also to promote your own products and services. Evergreen, organically, so no cost to you, for years and years and years, like I did during my Coma. Only you get to do it intentionally with every piece going forward. It will attract your perfect lead, and it will warm them up into your dream clients. You don't need to go viral. You need to be intentional and find exactly who you want to work with and who is dying to work with you. ClickCampaigns builds the campaigns, and the evergreen YouTube marketing system drives the traffic into them. Together, that is some powerful stuff. So before I tell you what bonus I'm actually going to give you when you go and get ClickCampaigns, I want to give you a quick YouTube SEO tip. Now, keep in mind, you do not need to be a YouTuber to use this, and you don't even have to be on camera, okay? But when you create content on YouTube to promote your business or affiliate offers, I want you to do this. Choose one main search term, like what somebody will be searching for, related to a problem they have, that your video will solve for them, okay? And put that one search term in your title, in your description, in the tags, in the comment. Pin that comment to the top. Say that search term in your video, and it's going to help the algorithm know exactly what the video is about, but more importantly, who your perfect lead is. And that's just one part of the whole system. And I'm actually going to share the whole system with you. So I hope you're super excited about this. And that's not all. I actually have 3 more bonuses for you. First of all, you're going to get my 10-part YouTube SEO series. It's going to teach you how to balance YouTube SEO, which again allows the algorithm to know who to show your videos to and what it's about, with the warming strategies that make the viewer feel like they know you, they trust you, they like you, and warms them up to convert. I'm going to show you how to attract your perfect leads, how to structure your videos so they actually convert, how to do that balancing act, plus how to rank for years, turning those views into sales on autopilot, evergreen 24/7. And that's not all. You're also going to get a 10-part series showing you exactly how to kickstart your online business. Even if you already have a successful online business, there are things in there that will help scale what you're already building. You'll go from idea to income. It's a roadmap for you, a solid foundation for you to build on. One of the things that stops us online entrepreneurs the most is our mindset and setting goals that are not reachable. So I'm going to show you a simple trick in a 4-part series that's going to teach you how to set goals and actually achieve them, to keep you on task to achieving your business goals. And then once your product or service is ready to launch or relaunch, I have one more bonus, number 4, the Launch Like a Pro training. This is based on what I learned from Jeff Walker, who is the guy, the expert in launching a product. You're going to learn exactly how to launch confidently, getting your leads excited before you even launch. And you don't have to worry about jumping through hoops to try to get your bonuses. It's really easy. The way that Mike has set it up as soon as you get ClickCampaigns and all of the ScalePlus apps that you're getting for free, which I'm going to share with you in just a minute what all you're getting, he will send you my bonus to you automatically. So there are no extra steps for you, no chasing links. It's seamless. You use ClickCampaigns to build, and then you use my system to attract your perfect lead. Now your business runs for you rather than you running after your business. Simply head over to cleverdough.com/ClickCampaigns, and then you can actually watch Mike do a demo of building an entire campaign in a couple of minutes. It is so cool. I'll put the link on the screen here and in the comments below and in the description, so it's really easy for you to get to. cleverdough.com/ClickCampaigns. Mike is doing a training. He's going to demo exactly how it all works. It'll blow your mind. What else do you actually get when you get ClickCampaigns? You get the entire ScalePlus suite of apps. That includes everything from the courses platform that I told you about, that I promoted, right? As well as a ton of amazing apps like your own store and a website builder, an email platform and a courses platform and an imaging software app. So head over here and I'll show you exactly what you get inside of ScalePlus, which you get for free when you sign up for ClickCampaigns. I'll see you over here.